Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the tautology and contradiction. So what is a tautology? Tautology is a compound proposition form that is true under all possible truth values. That means tautology is just like the statement which is always true. Whatever be the input, output is always true. So that type of statements is known as tautology. When it is always false, it is called contradiction. Here we have three propositions. P implies Q is equivalent to P bar join Q. This is a tautology. We will see. P implies Q is equivalent to P meet Q join P bar. This is also a tautology. And this P meet P bar, this is a contradiction. Let us see. Let us see all these three. So this is the truth table. P and Q may be true, may be false. That's why four combinations are there. 2 T T means both are true. This is true, this is false, this is false, this is true, and this is false, this is false. Fine. So let us see. So here when P implies Q means when both this is true, this is false. That's why true. This is true, but this is false, so false. P implies Q, maybe P implies Q. This is false, this is true. So the output will be true. Fine. Now false and false, both are false. Both are false. So that's why this is true. Now P join Q. P join Q. Now P join Q, this is also with the help of classical logic, you can also find out the truth value. This, with the help of this, you can also find out this. Fine. P join Q. P implies Q with the help of classical logic or Lukasevich. 1 0 1 1. So that's why this is evaluated. Now P join Q, P bar join Q. So just take the bar and then take the join. So we get this result. Now once you are getting this result, then here we have P meet Q join P bar. So P meet Q, both will be true, then this is true. So both are true, so true. True join with P bar, so we will get this result. So ultimately this will be generated. Fine. Now we are having two columns. One is this, another one is this. Now they are same, both are same. This is same, this is same, this is same. That's why T T T T. Similarly, P implies Q is equivalent to this. Now we are taking these two. Both are same. So this is true. Fine. So this is tautology, this is a tautology. So inference rule. Various forms of, now we are having, so this is tautology, this is tautology. So we have discussed about this. These are the tautologies. P implies Q, this is a contradiction and you can verify very easily. So this is a contradiction. Now inference rule. Various forms of tautologies can be used for making deductions, deductive inferences, and inferred as inference rules. Fine. So we are having various forms of tautologies which can be used for making deductive inferences and referred as inference rules. The three most commonly used inference rules are modus ponens, modus tollens, and hypothetical syllogism. So first is the modus ponens. Suppose we are having premise 1, X is A, whether this is true or false. Similarly, premise 2, if X is A, then Y is B. So we are having two premises, one is this, another one is this. Now we have to conclude some result. So the conclusion is Y is B because X is A. This is a tautology. We have already said this is a tautology. So this is true. ये true होगा. तो ये true होगा तो ये part true होगा और अगर ये true होगा तो conclusion will be Y is B. Fine. Logically we can represent this as, suppose this is P, this is Q, this is P, this is P, this is Q. सो P, क्योंकि ये भी ट्रू है, ये भी ट्रू, ये वाला P इम्प्लाइज Q, ये भी ट्रू है, तो दिस इज P, दिस इज Q. तो P implies Q means if X is A then Y is B. This is part this. Now this is combined with this X is A, that means this part, that means P. So P meet P implies Q. Conclusion is Y is B. This is Q. Fine. So this part is actually this part is actually Q. This part is actually P. So this is P. P दोनों ट्रू होने चाहिए, दैट्स वाई एंड P implies Q. So what is the conclusion is Q, this Q. Fine. Similarly modus tollens, first is, this is just like reverse. So premise 2 is as it is same, यही है, but premise 1 is different. Y is not B, so this is not true. So if this is not true, so obviously this should not be true. So that's why X is not A. Fine. So here this is Y is not B, but Q is represented by Y is B, so this is the bar, that's why this is bar. And this is P implies Q. Conclusion क्या है, X is not A. X is A means P, so this is P bar. Fine. Now the hypothetical syllogism, this is like a transitivity. If X is A then Y is B, if Y is B then Z is C. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that if X is A then Z is C. So this is the, so P implies Q, this is P, this is Q, so P implies Q, and this is Q, this is say R, so Q implies R. This implies when X is A, that means P, then Z is C, that means R, so P implies R. Fine. So this is like a, this is the inference rules. Now fuzzy logic. In the fuzzy representation, a fuzzy proposition can have its truth value in the interval 0 to 1. However, in a classical logic में जो वैल्यूज थी वो या तो 0 आती थी या वो 1 आती थी. In the classical logic, if you will see here, image is either 0 or 1, binary. But in fuzzy logic, range is interval 0 to 1. तो यहाँ ये थोड़ा वाइड है, 0 और 1 ना होकर पूरा इंटरवल है 0 to 1. Fine. So if we generalize the domain in n dimension, then fuzzy the mapping is f from 0 1 raised to the power n to 0 1. This is in n dimension. Fine. Now here the fuzzy logic is a logic represented by the fuzzy expressions which satisfy the following properties. First, truth value is 0 and 1 and variables xi 0 to 1 in this interval where I is from 1 to n, and fuzzy expression fuzzy sets. So the truth values are 0 and 1 and variables are denoted by xi, and fuzzy expressions are nothing but the fuzzy sets. Fine. If P is a fuzzy expression, then P bar is also a fuzzy expression, यानी उसका जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है वो भी fuzzy expression होगा. If P and Q are fuzzy expressions, then the P meet Q and P join Q are also fuzzy expressions. So these are the three important properties. ये ट्रूथ वैल्यू होती हैं, ये वेरिएबल्स हैं, और जो भी एक्सप्रेशन होगा वो नथिंग बट फजी सेट होगा. P अगर फजी एक्सप्रेशन है तो P बार भी फजी एक्सप्रेशन होगा. P और Q अगर फजी एक्सप्रेशन हैं तो P मीट और P ज्वाइन ये भी फजी एक्सप्रेशन होगा. सो दीज आर द properties. Fine. Now in the next video I am going to discuss about the fuzzy propositions. Fine. Thank you.